Hi, thanks for tuning in to this photography series. My name is Adam, and I'm going to give you a quick introduction to what you can expect in this series. So it's a little bit different than a lot of photography series that you will find, or videos you will find on YouTube, in the sense that A, it's not a sales pitch for a workshop. B, I'm not trying to move any DVDs or anything like that. And well, C, it's not some generic clickbait 10 best tips to make you an amazing photographer kind of video, because let's face it, that's absolute BS. So what we're trying to do here is I want to share some of the tips and ideas that I've learned over the last couple of decades of imagery, working in the imaging field with you, in the hopes that it's going to give you some sort of either inspirational boost or some sort of knowledge boost or technical boost, in the sense that we can take your art and really push it out there, because that's what we all want to do, is just get better, right? So by sharing ideas, we get better, and that's essentially what this video is about. Now in this series, we're also going to not do big long-winded videos where we cover like 12, 13 different chapters in one video and you're sitting there scrubbing through a whole bunch of BS that you already know in order to find something that you're interested in. So instead of that, what we're going to do is we're going to create a series of short, very succinct, very targeted videos. In order to make that really work though, what I need you to do is hit the subscribe button and particularly hit the notification button. So that way when the video gets dropped, if it's something that you're interested in, you'll get told about it and you can get straight on there and check it out. Now the reason I say I kind of want you to get straight on there and check it out is because the secondary function of this is I'm trying to create a little bit of a forum here, a little bit of a referendum where we can get together and pool ideas as creative individuals. And by doing that in the comments. So if I drop a video and you've got a comment or you've got some other idea or some question or something like that, by dropping the comment and then responding to other people's comments, we can create a little bit of a community around this like specific topic that can really help us all get better. I want to learn from you as much as I want to teach. I'm really keen to make this a community. So definitely hit that subscribe button, hit the notification button, and get involved in this series. But right now we're going to get into the next video, which will be dropping the link at the end of this one. So if it's something that you're interested, hit that. If not, skip on. And most importantly, happy shooting.